I've spent more than a decade in the world of LinkedIn, brand building, content strategy, and helping entrepreneurs grow. I've seen every template, every shortcut, every this is the new secret come and go. And I've joined communities that delivered nothing. I've joined programs that overpromised and underdelivered. And I've joined a small handful that exceeded every possible expectation. So when people ask me about Jasmin's program, they're not asking because they want another course. They're asking because the noise online has made it almost impossible to tell who's legit, who's hype, and who's selling pretty words wrapped in confidence. What I want to give you today is an honest breakdown. It's not about putting anyone down or building anyone up. It's an honest review from the perspective of someone who's seen inside multiple ecosystems, understands how LinkedIn growth actually works, and knows what separates a transformative environment from a motivational clubhouse. So you can decide whether LinkUp is the right room for you. Now let's get into it. Most people join programs because they're looking for missing information. They think their problem is tactical. They think they need the right hook, the right three-step strategy, or the right headline. But here's the truth. Lack of information almost never stops someone from growing. What actually stops them is stagnant thinking, repeating the same lens, creating from the same identity, using the same stories, the same angles, and the same comfort zones that were built years ago. If you feel like your progress has slowed, it's not because you're dumb or behind. It's because you're operating inside a mental echo chamber and you need tension to grow your craft again. That's the part that most programs never talk about. They teach tactics instead of sharpening your thinking. If you've ever felt like your content got predictable even to you, keep listening, because this next part is the shift that most people don't realize they need. Let's talk about the obvious first. Jasmin can write. Everyone can see that. His storytelling is sharp, concise, emotional. It's crafted. But that's not what makes the community effective. The real value is in his obsession with craft. Most creators treat storytelling like a recipe. Jasmin treats it like a discipline. And inside LinkUp, that mindset seeps into everything. The coaching calls, the critiques, the way he breaks down posts, the way he pushes you past good enough and into something sharper, more intentional, more powerful. You don't just learn how to write better. You learn how to think better, how to sharpen your perspective, learn how to stop writing like a person who wants attention and start writing like someone who has something to say. And the surprising thing is the community becomes the teacher just as much as Jasmin does. This is something that most people underestimate. You're not just paying for Jasmin, you're paying for the room. And LinkUp's room is strong, man. It's strong. It's not loud beginners. Actual builders, actual operators, actual creators who take their work seriously. And these guys are hardworking. People are posting daily. People are experimenting publicly. And people who care about their craft, not clout. And when you get inside a room where the average standard is high, you rise. Not because someone tells you to, but because the environment forces you to. The same way stepping into a gym full of athletes makes you train differently. Stepping into a community full of serious creators makes you create differently. Very recently, I was invited to be a guest speaker in the LinkUp community and do a masterclass on LinkedIn events. So it was a private session inside the community. I shared my experience, my perspectives, my approach to storytelling. It was clear the exchange challenged both of us. We both learned from it. And that reveals the core DNA of LinkUp. This is not a program built around one guru talking down to everyone else. This is a program built around strong people exchanging strong ideas. And that's why Jasmin invites other experts in so people can hear different perspectives and make up the mind as to what works best for them. It's an ecosystem, a collective, a room full of people who are secure enough to learn from each other, including the guy everyone assumes already knows everything. And if you've ever been in a room like that, you know how rare it is. But before we get too romantic about this, we need to talk about the other side, the people who should not join. Let's be brutally honest. LinkUp is not for everyone. If you want praise, not pressure, this is the wrong room. If you want shortcuts, not mastery, this is the wrong room. If you want hype, not craft, you're in the wrong room. But if you want to grow, I mean really grow, the kind of growth that doesn't just update your strategy, but upgrades your identity, that's where LinkUp becomes something different, not comfortable, but transformative. I'll give you an example, and I've been a member since day one, and I'll be a member for a lifetime. You'll see someone join quietly. Maybe they've been posting inconsistently. Maybe their content feels a bit flat. Maybe they're trapped between wanting to sound smart and wanting to sound human. And in the first few weeks, you see their writing shift. Not dramatically at first, but the sentences get tighter, the perspective gets sharper, the voice gets more brutally honest, more grounded, more alive. Then usually around a month, 2 or 3, something clicks, a post pops, not because it went viral, but because it resonated, because it sounded like them for the first time, because the craft finally aligned with the identity. Now that's the moment that results change. Inbound DMs start to appear, brand authority rises, clients pay more attention, opportunities, they feel warmer, easier, more natural. The transformation doesn't come from a template. It comes from tension, from pressure, from being in a room that sharpens you, whether you want it to or not. And that's the difference. If you're ready to grow and you want to get inside the room, go to linkup.com and use the promo code, all caps, BIBBY, BIBBY, to get a discount while it still works. So is Jasmin Alic's program worth it? Here's the truth. If you want to stay the same, no, it's not. If you want comfort, no, it's not. If you want to feel smart, no. If you don't want to put in the work, no. But if you want to evolve, if you want to challenge your own ceiling, if you want to step into a room where the standard is high, you're willing to put the work in, and the expectations are higher, then yes, it's hard work. You've got to be willing to put the reps in. And if you're willing to do that, then LinkUp is the place to do it. And worth it? That's an understatement. Because the goal isn't to be the smartest person in the room. The goal is to be in rooms that make you smarter. And Jasmin Alic always says, end with a power statement. So my power statement for you is this: growth doesn't reward the people who think they know enough. It rewards the people who stay teachable long after the world tells them that they've already made it. If you're ready for that kind of growth, you can join at linkup.com, use the promo code BIBBY. If you got value from this, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one.